Alright guys, so if you have been doing this billion network airdrop, there's actually a new update which is going to be ending in just 5 days at the point of making this video. So if you are seeing the video right now and you are currently into this billion network airdrop, then you need to watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part. Make sure that you do all I'm going to be showing you right here on those videos to stand on the right position to earn the most from this billion network airdrop. All right, so welcome to my channel. This is another edition of my video. Please kindly do well to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and if you haven't joined our telegram, the link to our telegram is going to be right there on the video description box. Okay, so with that being said, let's now continue with the video. As you all know, this is how the billion network airdrop website looks like exactly. And right now guys, remember to be coming in here every single day to claim your points. All right, so once that is done, let's now go to the second website where we need to complete some tasks. This is called Intract. This is the Intract website, and over here guys, we are required to actually complete some certain tasks right here, and of course be whitelisted. All right, so right now guys, we are only required to do a very few simple stuff right here. So this Intract is not actually a popular website. A lot of people do not know about it, but if you are hearing about this Intract for the first time, the link to that website is going to be right there on the video description box. Okay, so right now click on the link to come over here. Once you get right here, if you are creating a new account, you are going to be required to connect all your social media accounts, including your wallet. You go ahead and collect all of them, just like we do it on the Galaxy Quest. Okay, so right now, once your account is ready and you get yourself right here to this website, so the link to this website is going to be right there on the video description box. Okay, so looking down right here right now, you can see this event is actually going to be ending in 5 days 9 hours, and of course right here, this is the reward right here. You can see you are going to be getting 100 XP, and of course you are also going to be getting this billion Genesis NFT. And you can see over here they say rewards are distributed by billions. For questions and issue, reach out to them. You can reach out to them right here in case you have any question about this. So right now guys, without wasting time, let's talk about how you can be able to complete this quest successfully. Okay, so over here right now, the first thing that they require you to do right here is to of course follow them on Twitter, and you are also required to connect your EVM wallet, example MetaMask wallet also, and of course you sign up and connect your wallet on billion network website, and of course you like a campaign announcement, and of course spread, that is to retweet. And over here guys, you are required to actually verify that you have at least 30 points on the Intract proof of humanity. So this is where it's going to get a little bit tricky, and a lot of people may not be able to get past this stage because it actually requires a something. So for you to actually get these 30 points on Intract proof of humanity right here, you click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, you are going to be taken to another website. Okay, you click on continue to link. So once you click on continue to link, you are going to be brought right here where you are required to mint your your humanity NFT, something like that. Just allow it to open up, and over here guys, you can see this is where you are going to be minting your proof of humanity. And of course right here I have about 33 points right here, and if you click over here on this button right now, you are going to be minting your humanity card right here, and this card is what you need before you can be able to complete the last task right there. And of course this is where you are going to be required to connect your social media account. Each social media account you connect right here, including your wallet, is going to be used to qualify or confirm that you have actually completed any task that they give you to go and complete on each website. Okay, so right now guys, this is where you come and of course refer your mint your humanity card so that you can be able to complete the task successfully. Okay, so over here right now, let's go back like this. Okay, let's go back right here, and coming back right here guys, I will click on verify to verify if I have more than 30 humanity proof. Okay, you can see over here I've gotten this task right now, and right now obviously all this one right here are very simple, like following the X account or connecting your your EVM wallet. So I will complete all these ones immediately. Let's see the next step. Can see I have been able to complete all this task right here. All right, so over here guys, we have the referral system requiring you to actually refer people. So the more people you refer, this will intend to increase your reward. Okay, so go ahead and make sure that you complete this task. Looking over here right now, you can see that more than 15,000 persons has actually completed this task already, and of course this is the deadline. And of course right here you can see, before you cannot just go ahead and claim this NFT, you can see they have this message now saying return after quest end. So right now when you click on each right now, it's not gonna be taking you anywhere, because you simply need to wait, because when the quest ends, that is when you can then come back right here and of course check out the next update. So I'll be updating you guys right there on our Telegram channel. All right, so this is all you need to do right now. Okay, you can see over here you want the reward, meaning that we have now gotten this reward right here. You can see reward are distributed by billions, and of course right here we have this message now telling us that we have actually won this reward. Okay, so this is all you need to know right now, and if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and do it right now. Do not wait for later, go ahead and do it right now. Okay, so if you are completing tasks right here for the first time, you need to go ahead and check your notification right here, because of course there are a lot of things are waiting for you right here for you to actually go ahead and take care of, but you need to be careful while interacting, because some of them might be a little bit fishy. So right now guys, we need to go back. We are not doing this. Okay, so we need to go back like this, and of course this is all you need to know, and this is all you need to make sure that you have done if you are actually into this billion network airdrop. All right, so remember the reward is fast approaching, and of course make sure that you have also completed the last task that I actually brought up concerning this project. So I'll be trying my best to leave it right there on the video description, so that whoever hasn't done it yet can do it through that means. All right, so thank you for watching guys, and I will talk to you on the next video that is going to be dropping very, very soon about the airdrops that we are discussing right here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next video that will be dropping very, very soon.